Hello and welcome. You're watching Markets Today. I'm Sakshi Batra, and on this show, I give you all the update on how the markets are trading in the early trade and what are the early trends that you can pick up to be on top of your investment game today. So let's start off with the opening first. Muted start following the weak global cues. Of course, the US markets continue to end lower for the third consecutive session. The Asian markets, however, opened a tad bit higher. The SGX Nifty indicated to a softer start, and that's exactly what we've seen in the markets today. Although amid a very heightened volatility right in the first half an hour of trade, we've seen the markets really dancing around the flat line as well. The Nifty bank has inched up slightly higher, just above the flat line at you can see the kind of gains that you're seeing on Nifty bank at just 8 points odd, 0.02% uptake. But the Sensex and the Nifty are now down by 0.3%, 58,844 for the Sensex today. It's below that 59,000 mark now. The Nifty, however, is hovering near the 17,520 odd mark. So continually providing that support on the Nifty 17,500 level being protected right there. On the index, the biggest gainer today is ONGC up 2%. The oil prices, remember, have risen back again amid the supply tightening. Also, the biggest loser is Divis Laboratories, down by almost 2% odd. The Nifty PSU bank sector is the best performing sector in today's trading session, up by 0.1% odd. The IT index continues to lose shape, and you can actually see 0.5% of kind of a decline coming in on the IT stocks continually on the dragging factor in today's trading session. A whole lot of factors will be important for you as investors to track in case you're looking for opportunities today. There are stocks to watch, and there is a new IPO as well. Yes, I'm talking about Dreamfolk Services IPO. Remember, right ahead of the opening, the shares were trading with 20% premium in the grey market. So it has opened for public. You can subscribe to it. What is the price band here? It is 308 to 326 rupees per share. That's the kind of price band that you're getting right here. Of course, we also look at the kind of how the Sigma International IPO, the previous one, that has got a good response from the IPO subscription figures. The gray market also indicates some premium to that as well. So we'll have to keep an eye out on to see how this IPO will be performing on the markets today. Now, the IPO of Dreamfolks is also entirely offer for sale of about 1.72 crore equity shares, which will actually fetch the promoters 562 odd crore rupees. All the details will be shared in a separate video, so do tune in for that as well. For now, which are the stocks that you need to keep on your radar? Tata Motors, the homegrown automaker, has signed a power purchase agreement with Tata Power to develop a 7.25 MWP on-site solar project for its commercial vehicle manufacturing facility. So that's going to be an important update. Adani Group, second day in a row running. We are keeping a keen eye on all the stocks of the Adani Group as well. Remember, yesterday the entire pack was falling on the back of research report, credit site indicating the group being over leveraged at this point in time. And later in the evening, we got the big news that Adani Group is now indirectly acquiring over 29% stake in NDTV in the media house, with its subsidiary Vishwa Pradhan Commercial, and which has exercised certain warrants for acquiring 99.5% shareholding of the RRPR holding as a promoter of the NDTV stock as well. So that group and NDTV, both these groups are actually in focus today. Adani Group continues to fall, but on the other hand, NDTV has risen another 5% right in the early trade today. So that's going to be the focus as well. We'll keep you in touch with everything that's buzzing through the day. So don't forget to stay tuned onto Business Today TV.